Hey guys, I'm making this short video to show how to install Twingate easily with UboPod. So once the UboPod boots up, you can go to the app section and then here press on import YAML. This is going to open a web UI on port
Please make sure you are on the
4321.
same network as this UboPod and open http ubo-wt.localcolon 4321 in your browser.
So you basically have to go to this URL on your laptop and enter the Docker Compose YAML file, and it's just going to run it for you. So I'm just going to switch to my computer and show you the process on the screen. Okay, the next step is to sign up an account with Twingate. I didn't want to go through that process, super straightforward. And as soon as you sign up an account, this is what you see. So first you have to add a resource. So I select an entire subnet, and I'm gonna set this to this kind of range subnet, and then create resource. Setting up your first resource, you need to install Twingate connector. For that, I'm gonna select Docker, and here you're gonna need to click on generate new tokens. I have already done that, and the tokens are generated for me. It is going to ask you to authenticate yourself before it generates the tokens. Because we are using Docker Compose here, I'm gonna click on this link, and you need to scroll down and copy this Docker YAML file, and I'm going to Ubo Web UI, which is served on uboname.local, and port is 4321. I'm gonna paste the YAML file here and give this a name. I'm gonna call this Twingate, and here we need to set our tenant name, or the network name. Circuit is the name that I had chosen before, and then we're gonna put the access. We need to put the access token here. I'm gonna copy the access token, paste it here, go back, copy fresh token, go here and paste it here. You can keep the next two lines, and I'm not going to choose an icon here, so you can just leave the icon empty, and then it's gonna choose a default icon for you. And then here, whatever I put in the instructions, I can access it on the LCD screen. For you can just think of it as notes or hints for end users that is using the Twingate application. So I'm going to put this here. Some info connector name is circuit, so that I will remember this later. And that's it. And then you need to press provide. I'm now back on the GUI section. I'm gonna go to Twingate. You can see the application Twingate has been added here on under the list of Docker apps, and all I need to do is to press start. This is gonna take a couple of minutes for the Docker images to download. It's already downloaded and running. So we're gonna switch back to Twingate dashboard and see if this connector is connected. You can see it says setup complete. You can add users and go to the next stages. I'm just gonna go to that admin console, and here if you go to the connectors, this shows that the connector is up and running. Now you can install Twingate client and get connected to your connector. So after you authenticate yourself, you can see that Twingate is now connected. The green circle means it's connected, and you can see the subnet IP address. And we're done with this process. So it took only a few minutes to run Twingate on UboPod, and I hope you enjoyed this video.